If you think you've seen everything in robot pool cleaners, think again. Beatbot just released a pool cleaner that actually cleans its own filter so you don't have to. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today Beatbot has sponsored this video so we can take a look at what might just be the most advanced and fully hands-off pool robot on the market, the Beatbot AquaSense X. So let's talk about the biggest headache with every pool cleaning robot, the cleanup. I've reviewed over 6 robot pool cleaners since last year, and I have to say, when it comes to cleanup, it's always the part I forget about or I want to forget about when it's time to do. Usually when the machine finishes its job, your job starts. You have to pull out the dripping basket of gunk, debris, and leaves by wiping or hosing it down. The AquaSense X comes with a new AstroRinse base station, which honestly provides the most advanced and seamless self-cleaning experience on the market today. It truly is the ultimate hands-free experience because when your robot is done, you just set it on the station and it automatically back flushes and cleans the robot's internal filter in about 3 minutes without you having to touch a thing. All the nasty debris gets dumped into the 22-liter external basket. It holds so much that you only have to empty the station every couple of months. And as we all know, the less work I have to do, the more I like a product. Now, what about actual pool cleaning performance? The AquaSense X is a true 5-in-1 cleaner. It scrubs the floors, it cleans the walls, it makes sure the water line is clean, it cleans those shallow ledges, and it even skims the top of your pool surface. It uses a new hybrid sense AI with 29 different sensors to actually map out your pool and visually identify over 40 different types of debris. That's a lot of sensors and a lot of markers, so you don't have to worry. But how does this actually work? Well, instead of bumping around blindly like older robots, this one actually has underwater vision. So if my kids track some grass or dirt into the pool, or when the wind blows a tons of leaves in the water, this thing is just gonna hunt them all down. With its massive suction and smart routing, it breezes right through any mess your pool may have from people and the elements. And retrieval is one of the most important parts. So when it's finally done cleaning or when the battery runs low, it's not just going to sink to the bottom like other robots. It uses smart water surface parking to automatically float right to the edge of the pool so you can easily grab it. And pulling it out is easy because it automatically drains excess water, so it's a lot lighter and you don't have to strain your lower back, which nowadays I can definitely appreciate. You're never gonna have to use the hook and pull it out like I have seen in some other robots we reviewed over the past few months. And since we're talking about a flagship smart device, let's talk about the app experience. The Beatbot app lets you fully monitor your cleaning progress, switch between different cleaning modes, and you can even use voice commands to send it on its way while you're relaxing in the patio. But one of the most important things they've added is the clear water clarification system. It actively disperses an eco-friendly clarifying agent while it runs to remove those microscopic particles that make your pool look cloudy. So it isn't just vacuuming debris, it's actively treating the water so it looks crystal clear by the time you're ready to jump in. It's those kinds of premiums and over-the-top details that really separate this from cheaper models that I've seen. And for keeping this thing powered, it has the biggest battery I have yet to see in a pool cleaner robot, and that is 13,400 milliamps. This gives it 10 hours of surface skimming or 5 hours of deep floor scrubbing. It easily has the stamina to handle the vast majority of home pools in a single charge. And when you dock it back to the AstroRinse station, it charges completely wirelessly, making the whole routine incredibly easy and convenient. Just set it on the contacts, leave it there to clean and charge at the same time. Then again, another feature I've fallen in love with that some Beatbot models have is the remote control feature. If you see a random or stubborn patch of dirt or leaves that the wind blew into your deep end of the pool, you don't have to wait for the robot to map out and find it in its cleaning cycle. You can literally pull out your phone and manually steer the robot directly to that exact spot like a submarine RC car. It's incredibly satisfying to use, and it's perfect for those quick last-minute cleanups right before you host a pool party. It'll keep looking good no matter how hot it really gets because of this coating. These are little quality details that I really do appreciate because, again, if you're paying a premium, you want to get premium. At the end of the day, the Beatbot AquaSense X is a massive leap in smart home technology because it adds an additional feature that we really hadn't seen in the market before. And right now, if you are planning on upgrading, I highly suggest you do it as soon as possible because right now is Beatbot's anniversary month. They are running the biggest deals of the year, and this is a flagship model that comes with a massive 3-year warranty. So if you want the best absolute pool cleaning robot that cleans your pool and cleans itself, check out the link in the description down below before those deals go away. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.